Hey guys, welcome to this iPhone guide, and here I'll detail how to turn on or off View Full HDR in Photos app on iPhone. So if you want to enable or disable View Full HDR on your iPhone, either on iOS 18 or earlier, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to turn on or turn off View Full HDR in Photos app on iPhone, all you just need to do is go to your iPhone settings. Now, one on the settings page, locate the Photos app on your iPhone and then open it. If you're using iOS 18, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Apps. Then scroll down and click on the Photos app. So just keep scrolling until you get to the Photos app and click on it. There you go. So once you selected that, here, you just need to scroll down until you see High Dynamic Range. So if you want to enable High Dynamic Range on your iPhone photos, just make sure this is turned on. Now, if you want to turn it off, then make sure this is disabled. So this is enabled on your iPhone, the View Full HDR on your iPhone will be enabled, and if this is disabled, the View Full HDR on your iPhone will be disabled. So that's basically how to turn on and turn off full HDR in photos on iPhone, either on iOS 18 or earlier. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.